The American Space Agency, NASA, began in 1958. It put a man on the surface of the moon in 1969. Advances in technology in the 1970s allowed spacecraft to travel long distances, searching for and discovering new places in our solar system. NASA's Space Shuttle program, begun in 1981, has been a huge success. In the early days of NASA, space was a man's world, but on the 18th of June, 1983, Sally Ride was the first American woman in space. Ride was part of a group of 6 women to be the first female astronaut in space. Sally soon got the job. She went into space on the Space Shuttle Challenger. Sally Ride was the first American woman, but she was not the first woman in space. The Soviet Union sent Valentina Tereshkova into space back in 1963. While Tereshkova was in space for 3 days, Ride spent 6 days in space. Back on Earth, Ride gave talks across the United States. She had a powerful message. She spoke about the mission and why it was important for women everywhere. Many people traveled to listen to her, and women and young girls especially identified with her story. Ride went into space one more time in 1984. And after her, there were other women astronauts and other female firsts. Mae Jemison was a doctor of medicine. She became the first African-American woman in space with the Space Shuttle Endeavour in 1992. Then, in 1995, Eileen Collins became the first female shuttle pilot with the Space Shuttle Discovery. Collins flew 2 more times, in 1999 and 2005. So, as a result of Sally Ride, and many more female astronauts after her, young women as well as many young men now dream of becoming astronauts and a journey into space.